Super excited. Ooh, it's pink. We are gonna be unboxing October's Ipsy boxycharm box, the base box, and we are gonna be talking about some spoilers because the items in this box isn't really worthy for a full video. My bad. I just got an alert that there is a pursuit in progress. If anyone hasn't downloaded the Citizen app, you guys should download it because it tells you about all the crime around your area. But that is off topic. The first spoiler we are going to be talking about, which I am super excited, and while I'm talking about spoilers, we are going to be doing our makeup. But the first spoiler, as I said, I am excited about is the Ole Hendrickson vitamin C serum. When I saw that, I was like, I want. But for those wondering, the Ole Hendrickson retail for $56, so you definitely get your money's worth just with that one product, because for the base box I do waste 27 and change. If I'm not wrong, with tax now it's roughly about 30 bucks. And the Ole Hendrickson vitamin C serum is to brighten your face, and you could use that in day or night, so I instantly wanna pick that one. Hopefully it's a mandatory confirmed pick that you don't have to choose, because there are two items that you do have to choose. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I don't forget about the boxycharm picks, because that has happened to me where I forget and I just don't pick the item I wanted because everybody went for that one item and it's already sold out. For those wondering, the foundation I am using is the NARS Radiant Foundation in the shade Stromboli, which I do feel like this foundation is a little bit too yellowy for me. I am more of a neutral undertone, but I'm still going into my foundation journey. I recently bought the House of Labs foundation, so I'll let you guys know how that one is. For the second spoiler is the L'Occitane Light Face Cream Moisturizer, which retails for $40. That one, honestly, I tried searching it up and doing my own little research, but I found nothing. I only found you could purchase that product in Amazon, so little sketch, and Nordstrom, but it retails for $40, and it's just a moisturizer that tightens your skin, and that's all the info I found about that product. For the concealer, I am going in with the NARS Radiant Concealer. I like matching my products when I can, the same brand, because if you don't know, when you do your makeup, you gotta make sure all the products you're using are silicone based or water based, because if you mix it up, that's when your foundation starts breaking apart and looking yucky. And when I found that I stick to one brand, their whole makeup is meant to go perfectly and sit together. For the third spoiler is this Coppery Marine Gel Cleanser, and it's vegan free, cruelty free. Also, it is a cleanser, but it says and claims that it removes your makeup away and melts it away, and that retails for $30, as well as it's sold in Ulta. I am now going to contour real quick. I'm just doing like a regular beat face. But the fourth spoiler is the LYS Lengthening and Curling Mascara that retails for $12. Well, $12. Oh my god, not $12, $20. I feel like all of us are familiar with LYS because that is a product that we consistently, brand that we consistently get in these Ipsy's boxes. I'm gonna talk real quick about the last and final product, which is the Alamar Cosmetics Destino eyeshadow palette, and the colors are bright and bold, which I feel like they should have definitely done in the spring because it's giving spring color vibes. But it is a collection of 10 buttery smooth eyeshadows inspired by the journey of self-discovery, and again the colors are just bold and bright, I guess, for the self-discovery part of the product. And lastly, I totally forgot about this product, is this Ocean Eyes Age Defying Eye Serum. That one, I'm not really sure how much that retails for, but it's just to brighten your eyes as well. And lastly, I'm just going fast through these products because these are the products that I am least interested in, to be honest. The last one is this Toy Factory Sidekick Multi Palette, and this one isn't bad. It's just like a neutral eyeshadow contour and highlight palette, and this palette retails for $48, which I think I spoke too soon because I am obsessed with the pink blush it has. But now for the fun part, there are two products in here that I am super excited. Ooh, it's pink. I just noticed that the inside is pink. Is it usually always pink? I can't remember, but this is a Barbie pink. If you don't know, I am obsessed with the color pink. But it comes with the boxycharm. What is this? A boxycharm Glam-O-Ween. It's just giving you ideas for Halloween. And what else? I always get these little newspaper in the boxes, but I just throw it out. And oh my god, they have an advent calendar. I am tempted on getting that. I think I am. For this Christmas, I want to buy advent calendars. I just feel like you have something to look forward to every day and just makes your day better. Or I probably just have a makeup problem. Oh my god, the advent calendar came out on October 9th. I am like 10 days late. And yeah, that's it for this newspaper thing. I thought I was gonna talk more about the spoilers, but it doesn't mention nothing there. But the two products I am super excited about are the Huda Beauty products. I always see Huda Beauty products. This is like a brand I always see, but I don't go out of my way to buy her products. I don't know why. I just struggle to buy certain people's products because it just doesn't catch my eye. But I always hear good things about her products. I also recently did purchase her Cherry Blossom setting powder because I want to give it a go. I got convinced by TikTok and the fact that it leaves a pink undertone. I love. If you guys don't know, well, you saw how crazy I went with the blush. It's just like a baby pink. So if I could get an undertone of translucent powder to make me look more pink, I am definitely going to buy it. But I did get her automatic lip pencil lip contour 2.0 in the shade Honey Beige, and I got her liquid matte lipstick in the shade Bombshell. The only problem here is that I think they're different shades, but we're just gonna put them together and pray for the, well, hope for the best. And this, to me, just by hearing the name, it looks like it's to contour your lips. And if it is a brown shade, I am crossing my fingers that it can outdo the KKW lip liner, the shade Nude 2, because I don't know what Miss Kim Kardashian did, but she discontinued her brand. I don't know if she has it back up, but the lip liners I struggle to find, and there is nothing that I can do. But let's open this up and start lining our lips because we are looking a little dead. She said, I'm making sure your lip liner is not gonna come damaged because it is not moving or budging at all. Had to break the box in order to get it. This looks so cute. So it is an automatic pencil, so I'm guessing that you just twist it and it dispenses more product. Let's try it out, or maybe not because I don't want to dispense out all the product yet. This is where you dispense the product. You just twist it and it clicks. It glides like butter. This is so pretty. I don't know if I'm tripping, but this might be a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury iconic, what is it called, Pillow Talk lip liner. I mean, not pretty much a dupe because they are both in the same price range, so maybe a dupe would be something more affordable. Because if I'm not wrong, this lip liner, I'm not gonna make something up, so let me just double check. Retails for $21. The Pillow Talk one retails for how much? I think around the same price, $25. So yeah, definitely not a dupe, but it is giving Pillow Talk Charlotte Tilbury vibes. Now it's time for the liquid lipstick. Her packaging eye-catching, but again, it's something that I just wouldn't go my merry way to go buy. But I might have to give her product a chance because so far the lip liner was super buttery that I actually messed up because it just went like, it glided off. That is something that might be annoying, but actually good in the long run because I suffer from dry lips, especially in the winter. I am that old lady that is not wanting cookies from SpongeBob. I don't know how to talk. This liquid lipstick, it's leaving streaks. I spoke too soon, Huda Beauty. I don't want to apply more because if I apply more, or let's just apply more and see the outcome. I feel like if I apply more, it's just gonna get more streakier. So this product might be a product that you just have to put one layer. I fixed it. It's just the dryness of my lips that I told you guys that I always suffer. So I always try to go more for creamy satin lipsticks instead of liquid matte because it just sucks the life out of my lips. but this is something I would probably top off with some gloss. But moving on to the third product of this box is this Wonder Rivera blush and bronzer set. This retails for $38 and I had forgotten about this product actually, so I already put blush and bronzer, but we're just gonna add like a little tiny bit on top, and let's see if I don't end up looking like a cake face. I mean, the more blush the better, right? I'm gonna just rip it. Oh my god, it's a shimmery blush. Let's add some more blush to my face. It made my face look more dewy with the little shimmer it has. And now let's go in with a little bit of bronzer, the Portofino one. No, we're not gonna go in with the bronzer because it is looking cakey now, and I missed. Like, what is that? I honestly won't be using this. The bronzers are just not bronzering enough for me, because this one kind of looks like my foundation shade. It's just gonna look like I just put an orange foundation onto my cheek. I like more of a deeper bronzer. Also, these again is super light, but for this one I will be hitting pan on the shimmery blush whenever I feel like adding a little bit more of dewiness onto my face. So that is the third product. I kind of didn't like it. It was a mid. But now for the other two items that I'm not gonna be able to play with right now, but one that I am super excited and looking forward to is this Dew of God's body scrub. It's the Dream Cake one, and it's made from rich lavender, which this means this product is good for nighttime routines, for your relaxation, especially that it has lavender. I'm excited to use this body scrub. I might actually even open it right now. I'm opening it because I'm gonna be using this. I do go through body scrubs super fast because I found that exfoliating my skin, especially right before shaving, helps a lot with ingrown hairs. So I incorporated body scrubs into my shower routine for a hot minute already, and I don't regret it, again, because it's super good to exfoliate your skin. Oh my god, it smells amazing. The price is $22. The body scrub I do get from Target is the Tree Hut famous viral one that everybody and their mom buys, and that one retails for 12 bucks, and I feel like it does have a little bit more product compared to this. But again, if it's really good, I would buy myself these. This is again a product that I always see and never pick, but I'm glad I picked this for my choice. And then the last item is this Tula Skincare Soap Pumpkin Exfoliating Cleanser. Well, not cleanser, a sugar scrub. And this retails for $38 if I'm not wrong. And it just goes with the vibe of fall right now. Anything pumpkin I love. I actually am going to use this. This might be a substitute for the Peter Thomas Pumpkin Sugar Scrub. I would use that so religiously. It would help with my flakiness around my nose, and it worked wonders. So I hope this pumpkin scrub does exactly that. And again, it's just fall vibes, good for a night routine mixed with this. So these are products that I actually love and am going to be using. And the products I enjoyed, actually I enjoyed all of the products in this box. The only one I didn't enjoy was the Wonder Beauty palette, the bronzer and blush palette. But the Huda Beauty lip liner, the liquid lipstick, this and this, I love this box, and I expected to hate it, to be honest. And the only product again was the Wonder Beauty palette that I didn't enjoy, but this box was pretty good and I definitely got my money's worth. I'll put up the total here. I just feel like with these boxes it makes you try new makeup products and skincare products, and I always choose more makeup products, and I love now that you could choose when it comes to the Ipsy and boxycharm. I do tend to forget, but when I do not forget, I love picking because I already know I want some makeup products, more makeup products than anything compared to skincare products. But when they do have skincare products, I have that benefit of picking what I want and not getting an item that I'm just not gonna use and just keep it away and leave it in my jar for like a whole year and then like let it expire. So realistically, I enjoy this box. Basically, I'm just ranting saying that I love this box. I love it, I just love it. That's point blank period. But yeah, that's it for this October boxycharm unboxing video and the spoilers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a like, subscribe for more content, and thank you for watching, because I'm about to eat my Burger King that's been sitting there waiting for me.